This car's been hidden here for decades.
The logo is still here. Incredible.
She's been waiting for someone like you.
She's beautiful. What's her story?
She was my greatest adventure.
Engine bay is heavily corroded. Suspension needs complete rebuilding. Interior is extensively damaged.
The racing seats are fitted with precision. The steering wheel is installed next. Finally, the performance gauges.
Final checks complete. Mounting the front wheel. Torque is spot on.